Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mohammad Aman from Mohammad Haji Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic. I am from Electrical Department. This is our project presentation. The project is made by Alok Raut, Abdul Ahad, myself, Mohammad Aman, and Sheikh Maz. For this project, we were guided by Mubina ma'am. The topic of our project is a single phase cycloconverter for speed control of induction motor. First, what is a cycloconverter? A cycloconverter is a device which is used to change frequency of input voltage, input AC voltage into another frequency waveform. This is the block diagram of our cycloconverter. First, there is a transformer which will convert the 230 volt AC into 12 volt AC. Then there is a bridge wave rectifier which will convert the 12 volt AC into 12 volt pulsating DC. Then a 7805 regulator IC is used which will convert the 12 volt pulsating DC into 5 volt pure DC. This 5 volt DC is provided to 8051 series microcontroller. The microcontroller basically requires 3 inputs. First, 5 volt DC, which we have provided by this 5 volt DC supply. Second, 11 megahertz oscillations, which we provide by using a crystal oscillator. Third, interrupt signals, for which we use an op-amp circuit, operational amplifier circuit. The microcontroller is programmed to generate gate signals for the SCR to conduct. The SCRs or thyristors used here conduct only when gate pulse is provided across its gate terminal. To SCRs we provide directly 230 volt supply, and to the microcontroller we give 5 volt supply. So to provide some electrical isolation we use opto isolator. An opto isolator is basically an IC in which an LED, light emitting diode, and DIAC, AC diode, are present. When gate pulse is provided from the microcontroller, the LED illuminates or blinks. So the DIAC, which is light sensitive device, will generate some voltage across its terminals, which is in the same magnitude as the gate voltage. So by blinking of LED, the same gate voltage is appearing across DIAC, and this DIAC voltage will be given to SCR. The SCRs, when given gate voltage conduct such that the time period of voltage is changed. Normal 50 Hz voltage time period is 0.02, which means that for one full cycle to complete the 50 Hz voltage, it takes 0.02 seconds, and in 1 second such 50 cycles are completed. And by using a cycloconverter, how we change it is we provide gate pulses such that the SCRs conduct the one full waveform for 0.04 second, for example. Then the output frequency of the voltage will be 25 Hz. We select various frequencies which we have programmed in the microcontroller by the mode selection switches, and at the end a motor is connected whose speed will change when the frequency of supply will change. And by measuring the speed of motor, we will be able to determine that the frequency is changing. As you can see, this is the overall circuit diagram of our project. This diagram we had referred while making the connections. In this also we can see the elements of our block diagram. The 12 volt DC, the 12 volt supply, and the circuit that converts the 12 volt AC into 5 volt DC, the operational amplifier circuit for interrupt signals, crystal oscillator for providing 11 MHz oscillations. The circular thing represents the induction motor, which is marked as IM, then positive negative converters, then the opto isolator, which is used to provide electrical isolation between the microcontroller which runs on 5 volt and the SCRs which are running on direct 230 volts, means they are operating on 230 volts. Now we'll cut to direct video demonstration of our project. Good afternoon everyone, this is our project demonstration. Our project for capstone project is single phase cycloconverter for motor speed control. This is our project. A cycloconverter is a device that is used to change frequency of a voltage waveform. Our fundamental frequency is 50 Hz, but with our project we are changing the frequency in 41 Hz, 33 Hz and 25 Hz. Mainly frequency conversion is required in traction applications where we change frequency of input supply for a motor to change its speed. Here also we are using a motor to indicate the change in frequency. This is a single phase resistance start induction run motor. From start our project is like from a 230 volt by 12 volt transformer we are converting 230 volt AC to 12 volt AC. Then with this bridge wave rectifier and voltage regulator we are converting the 12 volt AC to 5 volt DC and this feeding it to this microcontroller. Microcontroller requires 3 inputs: 5 volt DC voltage and 11 MHz oscillations which we are providing from crystal oscillator, and then interrupt signals which we are providing through the operational amplifier set. These are selector switches which are used to change the mode of operation. Changing mode of operation means when we change mode of operation, this microcontroller changes the gate pulses providing to the gate terminals of SCR. These are the SCRs. The gate pulse are provided to gate or terminal of SCR through opto isolator. The LCD screen is given to monitor the mode on which mode the motor is on which mode the cycloconverter is running. The capacitor and resistors are connected to the SCRs for their commutation. SCRs can be turned on by directly applying 230 volt supply and gate pulse, but for their turning off we require commutation circuit. If we directly turn them off, they can get damaged. And this small button is the reset button. Many times the microcontrollers get hanged, so with this reset button we discharge a small capacitive voltage to the microcontroller so that it will restart. Now let us test the project. First I am using the full cycle mode. In the full cycle mode, the SCRs are conducting the total voltage waveform. 50 Hz voltage is applied to the motor and the motor is rotating at 3000 rpm synchronous speed, and the actual rotor speed is somewhat 2800. When we change to our mode 2, this is our mode 2, the LCD screen shows F3 cycle, which is our mode 2. In this mode, the gate pulses which are provided at gate terminal of SCR will be such that the voltage given at output side is of 41.33 Hz. Now the motor is rotating at a speed of 500 rpm is dropped, which is the rotation speed is 2500 rpm synchronous speed. The actual speed would be 2400 rpm. This is the second mode. On the LCD it is showing f/4 cycle. Now the output voltage waveform will be of 33.33 Hz. Now more 500 rpm drop will be there in the speed. The synchronous speed will be 2000 rpm and the actual speed will be 1800 rpm approximately. Now the fourth mode. The LCD is showing f/2 cycle. Now the output voltage frequency is 25 Hz. The synchronous speed is 1500 rpm and the actual rotor speed would be 1400 or 300 approximately. Thank you.